In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert page breaks in Word, a handy tool for managing layout and content in your documents. Navigating through Microsoft Word to structure your document effectively is a crucial skill, whether you're drafting a report, creating a manuscript, or preparing academic work. One of the simplest yet most impactful ways to control how your document appears is by using page breaks. Let's dive into how you can insert these with just a few clicks. First, make sure you have your Word document open on your screen. We'll start by locating the Insert tab. You'll find this tab at the top of your screen among the row of options known as the ribbon. This ribbon is like your control center in Word, offering you various tools and commands to enhance your document. The Insert tab is particularly useful when you need to add elements like tables, pictures, and other content. But today we are focusing on what concerns page layout, the page breaks. Once you've clicked on the Insert tab, you'll notice a variety of options appear below. What we're interested in is the option for inserting a page break. Scroll your eyes to the section of the ribbon dedicated to pages. This is where you'll find the page break command. Click on the page break option. When you do this, Word will automatically insert a page break at your cursor's current position in the document. What this means is that everything after the cursor will shift to a new page, effectively allowing you a fresh start with formatting on this next page. Now, you might wonder why you'd need to use a page break instead of simply hitting Enter several times to start a new page. The benefit of using a page break is that it gives your document a level of consistency and professionalism. Unlike hitting Enter, which can disrupt your document's flow and get messy with edits or formatting tweaks, page breaks ensure that your separations remain consistent regardless of alterations. If you're creating sections within documents like a table of contents or dividing chapters in a book, page breaks are invaluable. They keep sections separate without any unnecessary blank space, making your document neat and readable. So there you have it. A straightforward way to enhance your document structure and improve readability with the use of page breaks in Word. By taking this approach, you ensure a professional feel, helping readers follow along with ease. Now you're ready to enhance your Word documents with precision and flair. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this guide useful. Make sure to implement these steps the next time you're preparing a document and experience the difference in your document's layout.